Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. I'm coming on here because I wanted to do a project share of some bows that I made for an upcoming swap. Here is the first set of bows, and I really enjoyed the way these came out. And here is the second set, and it's the same colors except that they are a little bit smaller, so as you can see, and also I did the tails a little bit different, so that is that right there, so you can see the size difference. And this is not my original idea. This actually came from Smile by Holly, and she did a tutorial where you do not have to use a cutting machine, a scoreboard. All you have to use is your paper and a pencil, and you create a template. And the little flowers right here are also made out of scrap paper. I have a lot of white cardstock in various sizes. All I did was use a punch and double layered them. And then I put a little gemmy in the center. And so they are good to go. If you would like to give these bows a try, I will go ahead and link the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.